today are facing increasing pressures to design and produce modern powertrains that are optimized and efficient in order to meet the demands of their customers. Increasingly, simulation is being used to address this challenge, as it provides a clear and comprehensive way to evaluate performance early and often during the design cycle. This enables engineers to innovate while balancing competing design objectives and meeting regulatory constraints. To be effective, simulations must take into account more and more physics and engineering domains. However, managing this complexity often involves multiple tools from different vendors, based on incompatible technologies and file formats. This can be time-consuming and error-prone. The 3D Experience platform delivers the solution needed to resolve these challenges. Not only does it provide the predictive power to drive and validate the design, but it also brings designers, engineers, and analysts together on a common platform. When designing powertrain systems for automotive, engineers need to balance weight, power, and fuel efficiency in order to meet standards set out by the market and regulatory bodies. With the 3D Experience platform, design and simulation are fundamentally integrated on a common engineering data model and infrastructure. This integration allows for simulation data to be created and shared between disciplines, enabling efficient multidisciplinary trade-off studies and optimization. Massive time savings are achieved by completely eliminating the non-value-added tasks associated with searching for the right data and importing into legacy simulation tools on outdated file-based systems. These efficiency gains can enable engineers and designers to focus on engineering with process automation. They are able to evaluate the performance attributes and make the necessary trade-offs to be the leader in their market by creating better designs more efficiently. A powerful and efficient powertrain is vital to the success of modern vehicles. With the 3D Experience platform, manufacturers now have a single tool to deliver the most effective powertrains in the most efficient way.